What's up, YouTube? Thanks for stopping by and checking out another video on my channel. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about what I've been doing in terms of organizing the way that I go about my day and finding work and doing things for my business for the past 3 months. Since it's July now, so I started my business in April, so it's been about 3 months. And I wanted to just think out loud about the things that I've been doing with my business, what I like, what I don't like, and also tell you some strategies I'll be using in the next 3 months to be more productive, get more work, and ultimately make more money, which is the point of a business. So for the first 3 months, I struggled a little bit at the beginning with working from home and the flexibility that gives me, because I kind of thought about what I would do during the day, and I had a rough idea of what I would do, and I just said, yeah, I'll do some auditions, I'll do some calls, I'll do a little writing, and then I would push those things back. And if I didn't have a set time of when to do them, so a lot of things got pushed to the next day, and I was working hard, but I was not getting the things done that I needed to in order to make my business thrive and make it as successful as I want it to be. Over the last month and a half, I've been doing a little bit better with that, because I've been really scheduling my time and blocking out certain times that I will do cold calls or do auditions or write articles or reach out to clients or prospective clients, and I've been doing a lot better with blocking out my time. So that's what I've enjoyed. I've gotten used to having the freedom of working from home and being productive. For the next 3 months, I'm thinking about not only being more deliberate in scheduling exactly what I'll be doing, but also kind of playing with the extremes. And what I mean by that is, I'm the type of person that does well with extremes. I found success with that in terms of my eating schedule. I have a big appetite, so I like to have one big meal a day and then maybe a snack and just not eat for the rest of the day. And that's weird to a lot of people, but for me, it's something that has helped me get in good shape and stay in good shape and still enjoy big meals. I also do that with working out. I work out 3 times a week. I work out really intensely on those 3 days, and the other days I don't do anything. And that has really helped me get stronger and improve my fitness. So I'm trying to look at those 2 things, which have worked really well for me, and apply that to my business. So what I'll be doing is doing things more in bulk. So for the first 3 months, just before I say my plans for the next 3 months, for the first 3 months I've been maybe making 5 calls a day every day and doing that consistently, doing 8 to 10 auditions a day, doing that consistently, and that's worked well. But for the next 3 months, I want to play with the idea of doing things in bulk. So what I'll do for the next 3 months is have one day that's dedicated totally to making cold calls. So I might sit in this studio office and just make as many cold calls as I can. I'll have a list of tons of companies that I can call, and for that day my goal will be to just call as many places as possible, so that for that particular day I'm in the mindset of calling, building relationships, and doing what I need to do to foster or get to know people, so that in the future that might lead to work. Another day I might line up tons of auditions and just do as many auditions as I can that particular day. So I'm really thinking about blocking out days that are dedicated to a certain aspect of my business and just going really hard and working towards that specific goal. And I think what that will do is I'll be just as productive as I've been, if not more productive, but I'll also simplify my business. So I'll focus on one thing a day and do it to the maximum. So do as many of those things as I can on that particular day. And I think anytime you can simplify something, it will be positive. I think as it relates to diet, if you give people a ton of restrictions and tell them all the foods they should avoid and give them rules, then all they're going to want to do is eat those foods and break those rules. But if you simplify it and say, eat whatever you want, just count your calories, they're much more likely to follow through and actually lose the weight. So with my business, instead of telling myself, this is what I have to do, and this is what I have to do, and a list of tons of things every single day that is going to overwhelm me, no matter how badly I want to achieve it and get it done, I think if I simplify it and say, focus on this thing today and do as much of it as you can, I'll be more productive and I'll get more done, and I'll feel at the end of the day like I've really put my whole effort into that one specific goal. And I'm going to see how this works for the next 3 months. So that's my mindset going into the next 3 months. This video is not really about changing up my whole business plan, but it's just reorganizing how I've been working in the last 3 months and focusing on what I'm going to be doing in the next 3 months. And I think that's important, especially in the beginning stages of my business. One of the most important things is figuring out how to be the most productive and how to get the most done so that it leads to the most work. And I think this will be an interesting experiment. Just simplify and focus on one thing each day and do that one thing all day long. So I'll make one of these videos kind of a stream of consciousness and me thinking out loud about my business. I'll try to make it every 3 months, just so you know where my head's at. So I've been putting up a lot of videos talking about auditions and strategies for building my business, but I think it's nice sometimes to get a little bit of just inside what I'm thinking and how to build my business, because I know some of you guys following are also trying to build a also trying to build a voiceover business, and that's one of the most difficult things. Some of you might be working another job and then coming home and doing voiceover, so I think maybe you might find it helpful to block out certain days where you just do auditions, certain days where you just cold call, certain days where you just try to meet people that you admire in the voiceover world, anything. So that's what I'm going to try to do. I hope you like this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, like the video if you haven't already, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot for stopping by.